Welcome to UNCP Mary Livermore Library, located across the water feature from Starbucks. The library provides both collaborative and quiet spaces for study, personal study rooms, a computer lab, and WIPA printing services. The library is here to support you, and you can talk with librarians to help you research, meet up with study groups, or use our online resources. Access the library's website through quick links. You can search library material through our catalog search bar, but make sure you sign in first.
Under the search bar, you can find academic databases where you can search for scholarly articles. Popular databases are located on the right, and librarians are standing by to chat with you. Once you type in your question, you will need to add an email in case the chat is disconnected. When you finish with the chat, you have the option to leave feedback or ask for a follow-up.
If you search by subject, you can see resources dedicated to campus programs, and most information is located in tabbed galleries, so make sure you click through to see all of the information available.
The library homepage has a rotating gallery, and clicking on the images will lead out to additional content. You can also find a library hours and set up an appointment with a librarian for personal research assistance. Simply select a date and time for your appointment and fill out a brief form.
Research Health will offer you resources for conducting academic research and student services will provide information including student orientation, first-generation resources, and transfer student resources. These pages include information important for you, including access to practice tests and career resources.
Library services include tutorials, which are short 1 to 2 minute video resources about contacting the library, finding a book on the shelf, or navigating databases. About the Library will offer access to a map of the library, as well as our Topics of Interest page, which includes current important content curated by the library staff.
Once again, welcome to UNCP, and we hope to see you in the library.